Hi, this is Jeannie with Hoot-n-Annies, and today I'm gonna show you how to make 3 Christmas items. So stay tuned. Okay, the first project I did was this Christmas tree that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I took baker's string and I made little bows on all of the branches. I see one that I missed here. So I took this tin pail and I put rocks in the bottom, and I took the stand off the tree and smashed some batting in there, and then I took little picks. Well, I have a swag that has white and red picks on it, so I just snipped them off and just stuck them in there, and then it's gonna look like red, white, and blue, but on this I just did my stripes. Let that dry, and then for the top of the tree, these must have fell out. I'll put those back in. There you go. Okay, the top of the tree, I just took a piece of well, actually it's an old table runner, but I like that after fabric's been washed, it looks aged, and cut some quilt batting and put around the edge, but it's just a triangle, or and I don't have my glue gun down here. Or I could have sewed this up real quick too, I guess, but I'll just do. I mean, usually I sew. I would have sewed this, but since it's so easy to change things that and if you had a bell, you could stick on the end of it, or could tie one of those little ties. That would be cute. Let me take one off here. Or not, but maybe one of these little it's called baker's string, would look cute there. But I think it's kind of cute. My paint ran, but kind of, I didn't mind it. I liked the way it looked. But this is my tree. Okay, on this, I took this tin round pot and stuck foam in there, and I thought this would be pretty for a Christmas table centerpiece maybe, but when I got to looking at it, it seems a little bit uneven, so thought I'd stick this here or back here, but wasn't really too sure. I want the pine cone to show, so I think I'm gonna put it right there. Instead of making a big bow, I just strung the ribbon throughout the flowers and the greenery, and maybe it needs a green ribbon, but then it would get lost in here. But maybe a red ribbon down, or a green ribbon down here would be the best. But I think it's pretty. Red's my favorite color, so that's it for this. And then on this project, I took some plyboard and painted it red and then sanded it pretty heavy, and then I got my Cricut to make this message merry and bright. I thought that was pretty, and I didn't put a hole in it, or because so many people like to lean things up anymore, so I left it like that. I mean, you can always put a and then this little thing reminds me of Charlie Brown's Christmas tree. Poor sad, and I have to decide, do I like this side or this side? I think but I'm just gonna glue this, it's a wood box, and I got craft glue, so, and I thought it'd be cute to have this. And it's something real simple, but it's cute. A lot less work than the greenery. But I guess that's all I have for today. Well, I'm going to go now, and you can drop below and like and subscribe, and have the little bell ring when I have a new video come out. But God bless, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.